All right, good morning, everybody. Let's get into your forecast. Another gorgeous day in store for your Thursday, this time featuring a little bit warmer temperatures into the afternoon, despite what we're seeing this morning. This morning will likely be the coolest morning of the entire 7-day forecast up ahead here. But we got clear skies overhead on our satellite and radar. That will continue to be the case into the afternoon. Absolutely gorgeous day to get out on the patio. Earlier in the day, it'll be a little bit on the chilly side, temperatures in the upper 50s, but once we wear into the rest of the afternoon, temperatures will inch their way into the 60s with clear skies overhead. We are not going to be expecting any rain for quite some time, at least until Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So we certainly do need the rain. Parts of the area are in a severe drought, including much of deep East Texas, and you go far enough north into areas like Sulphur Springs and parts of Mount Pleasant. You've got that extreme drought. Now, again, we definitely do need the rain, and our next chance will not be arriving until Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. But in the meantime, we are expecting much drier conditions and very mild conditions as well. Ridge of high pressure will be moving through some very warm air, and then we do have this little short wave, as we like to call it, of low pressure that'll be really moving in Tuesday into Wednesday, and that will be responsible for giving us those showers and possibly some thunderstorms as well. So we'll be watching that very closely. But again, for today, this begins our temperature trend upward as temperatures inch their way into the middle to upper 60s. For the afternoon, we'll drop down a little bit warmer than this morning, upper 30s and low 40s. Still pretty chilly, but definitely not as cold as this morning. And then for tomorrow, we'll make a run for the middle to upper 70s for the afternoon, then drop down into the low 40s once again to start your Saturday. A cold front will drop its way through, and we'll see temperatures in the 60s. Would not rule out maybe some 70s in some parts of the area for your Saturday afternoon, but we'll see a little bit of a cool down, but still very mild nonetheless. Now, we are expecting over the next 8 to 14 days, very above average temperatures. Again, we're talking about temperatures being around 15 to 20 degrees above average. Even for tomorrow, with our average high being 60 degrees, our highs aim for 78. So that puts us at around 18 degrees above average. So we're going to be much above average for the next several days, even into the next 8 to 14 days, and right around average when it comes to rainfall as well. Again, our next chance of rain coming in Tuesday into Wednesday. Here's your 10-day temperature trend. Again, there you go. Your average high 60 degrees, 78 for tomorrow, 70 after that cold front comes through on Saturday, 75 as we move into Super Bowl Sunday, 77 into Monday, and then our chance of rain arrives Tuesday into Wednesday. Will cool off slightly, but still remain very much mild, and then temperatures for the end of next week drop into the middle to upper 60s. Again, still above average for this time of year. Rainfall over the next 7 days, including Tuesday and Wednesday. That's going to be our only chance of rain for a while, at least when it comes to this next 7-day forecast here. But we are likely going to be seeing at least 1/10 of an inch, maybe up to 1/4 of an inch in some locations over that next period. So we'll be watching that very, very closely here. 78 again for tomorrow, 70 for Saturday, 70s all the way into the next several days. Watching again that next chance of rain Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll keep you posted.